So this is us to find the border. What I wanted to do is just tell you how we get rid of the excess soil on the turf when we are taking the turf out from the borders, and obviously we want to carry as less weight as possible. So basically all we do, turn the turf upside down, get yourself a rake or a spade, whatever you want, and then just hit the excess soil on the bottom, and then you'll be able to shake it off. Tap it a few times, couple of minutes at best, and this is just going to reduce your waste as much as possible, especially if you're carrying it by a wheelbarrow or you're putting in dumpy bags or anything like that. So just turn it over, stamp on it, or hit it with a rake, a fork or a spade, and shake it off, and just as you see there's loads of excess soil that's come off.